Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Create a free Webflow account, start a new project, and choose a template or a blank site to speed development. Set your container max width to 1200 px and use the 12-column grid for consistent alignment across sections. Configure site settings with your site name, favicon, and meta description, then add your custom domain and enable SSL so pages serve over HTTPS. Save frequently and use project backups. Webflow auto-saves, but manual backups let you revert. Begin with a homepage wireframe to map sections and content hierarchy. Create static pages like About and Contact, then add a CMS collection called Projects to manage portfolio items dynamically. For each project entry, include fields: title, short description, role, client, project URL, and a hero image. Export images at 1920 x 1080 pixels, keep a 16:9 ratio, and optimize for 72 dpi to balance quality and load speed. Build project templates that bind CMS fields to page elements so new entries auto-generate detail pages. Use symbols for reusable header and footer components to ensure consistent navigation site-wide. Create simple interactions to enhance engagement. Add hover scale to project cards and a click-triggered modal for full case studies. Keep animations under 300 ms for snappy feel. Adjust layouts at breakpoints, tuning tablet at 768 px, and mobile portrait at 375 px, so grids and text resize correctly and touch targets stay at least 44 px. Configure SEO meta tags and open graph images. Connect Webflow hosting or export code if available. Enable SSL. Then click Publish and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.